Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to fix RoboCop Rogue City Fatal Error Crash. Let's start this tutorial by updating your graphics driver. Go over to your device manager and then expand the display adapters. Then right-click on your graphics, then select Update Driver. Now, once you're done updating your driver, go over to this next step. Make sure that your Windows operating system is running in the latest version. Check this by going to your settings and see if there's a need for an update to your Windows operating system. By updating, it will eventually fix bugs and glitches on your computer. That sometimes it is the cause of some errors. Another step you can do is to install the latest version of DirectX and the C++ redistribute. Visit the official website of Microsoft to download the version of DirectX and the C++ redistribute and install it to your computer. Another method you can do is to verify the game files. To do that, go over to your launcher, then navigate to the RoboCop game, then right-click on it to verify integrity of game files. Wait for it to finish and see if the error is now fixed. But if not, then do this other one. Try to disable third-party overlays if you have one running on your computer while playing the game. For example, the Discord app, try to disable it for a while. The next one is to make sure that you always check the temperature of your CPU. Overheating is sometimes the cause of these errors. Try to use a temperature monitoring software to notify you if your computer is overheating or not. If the problem persists, then try experimenting with the compatibility mode. Run the program in compatibility mode so that it will automatically adjust the game based on the specs of your computer. Now, if the error persists, then try to reach for a customer support of the game and discuss the errors you are encountering to give you the necessary way to fix it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.